Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to use a small fabric square to create the beautiful coaster. So I have 3 pieces of square fabric and the size is 7 inches square. I fold it in half and then I'm going to fold it again. So this way I can see the center, and from the center I'm going to go and mark 2.25 inches all around because I want to make it 4.5 inches circle. So go around just like so. If you want to go to the 4 line that you mark, you fold with 2.25 inches first and then go around like this. Feel free to do so any way you want to. The reason why I don't use a cup or a bowl to trace the circle because that's not really in the center. I want it right exactly in the center. So just mark around like that, everyone, and so after that you can trace this, connect the dots to have the circle, or you can just follow the dots and sew. So now I'm placing the other fabric underneath. It's the same size, 7 inches square, and I usually pin in the center. I'm gonna sew around the circle. I am cooking something in the kitchen at the same time I'm doing this. So it's the noise in the kitchen and everything. That's why I have to record my voice over. Now I go right about a quarter of a way from the sew line, and I'm gonna cut around because I don't want to cut in the center. I just want to save that fabric in the center. So go cut around. If you have pink and shear, feel free to use the pink and shear to cut. I have it, but I don't want other people watching my video have to go out and buy it. In the meantime, you can use something and it works exactly the same, just like that. Cut a little bit here and there. You don't really have to cut too close to the sew line, just a little bit like that. So when you press, it laid out easy. So just press all around and then stuck this back. Make sure line by line, side by side, all the fabric it meet up, and you're going to iron it. I press and I iron. I cut the fabric. Doesn't have to be what size it is, as long as you have it showing right in the center. I want that flower, so you just cut randomly whatever picture that you want to be. I make this for order, so the person want the purple and the blue flower, so this is the best I can do. And now I'm going to pin around so I can sew on the outer line of the circle. So now after I sew on the outer line of the circle, so now I am using the fleet fusible for the back, and I have cut in here that 5.5 inches square, and I place the sticky side facing to the back side of the coaster, and I make sure all the sides are even before I turn into the right side and iron. Go on the fabric side always and iron on it. I turn the heat on the medium high to iron the fleet fusible, because you want the glue to stay in the back side of the fabric. So take your time and iron. Now I place the third piece of fabric on the top, right side facing in, and when I sew, I go in the back because that's where the fleet fusible that's showing, that's for me to follow and sew. So make sure you pin this around. You going to mark about 2.5 inches or 2 inches is fine. Follow the side of the fleet fusible and then sew. Leave the space so you can inside out. This is the time of the years that I make a lot of these for order, and when I make something like this, I like to share with you. I do a lot of sewing item for order, but I didn't record it. And this one, I think that a lot of people may like this because you can use little small fabric to create something beautiful. I have a lot of beginners in my channel. They like to watch my video because I show step by step. So if you are more advanced, I don't think you're gonna be here anyway. So I'm gonna show up to the mark that I marked and make sure I backstitch a few times too. So now after this, I'm gonna go and trim this around. You can make this for Easter. I have Easter fabric, but at the moment I cannot find what this person asking for, the blue flower on the purple fabric. So lucky that I have both. So now you're gonna press on that side before you inside out. After you inside out, make sure you press and you iron the whole thing. So after I iron, I'm gonna go on the fourth side and I top stitch all four sides. When I top stitch, I go very close to the side. And that is it, everyone. I finished for my order. I have to make 5 more for this. Put the cup over. I can imagine do this with all different fabric for the spring. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for a new subscriber and returning subscriber for your support, your donation, and liking the video. Love you. Stay safe.